Now, there is a universal requirement in all of the mathematical operations that we perform, and it is a requirement of rounding up our values. Because not all the times do you want a whole length of integer decimal places coming up in your final results. You want them to be approximated to a value which is much more suitable to look at, to understand it, and to be shared with other people. Now, in this session, we're gonna look into the round function, and we're gonna again use the round function on the monthly salaries that we are going to derive from the annual salaries over here. And I've written up a query for this, which selects all of the variables from the table plus the salary divided by 12 variable is created. It would give us the monthly salary, and then a round function would be applied on this salary by 12 value over here. Now, this is not the only argument that we need to put into the round function over here. So any whenever you are rounding up your values, you need to tell that should these values should be rounded up to. So if you want the values to be rounded up to say 3 decimal places, you need to type in 3 as a second argument over here. If you want the values to be rounded up to merely 1, then you need to type 1 over here. So let's see how does it change our values in our eventual query results. So there you go. So again, we have all the variables available to us, plus we have the monthly salaries available to us. And since we try to round off these values to one decimal place, so this is what you get. All of these values have now been approximated to one decimal place only. So 8198.833 was approximated to 8198.8. The next one to 817.2. And this one is an interesting one. It has been rounded up, and 58333 has been changed to 6. We could have changed the behavior right over here. If we would have chosen to write 2 over here, the decimal places would be rounded off to 2. So you can see this was rounded off to 8.3, then subsequently 2.5, then 5.8, and so on and so forth. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody who's listening to this session would have faced up a situation where rounding was extremely necessary, especially when you are in a pharmaceutical domain or insurance domain where decimal places take up a huge lot of value, a whole lot of place in your Excel sheet or in your calculations. I'm pretty sure this session would have helped you in understanding what the round function is. And hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.